If you want to quickly see the active threads in a Discord server and jump into one, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is really useful when you want to find ongoing conversations, catch up on discussions, or join a thread without scrolling through the entire server. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Discord tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to see the active threads. Make sure you're inside the correct server because active threads are listed separately for each server. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the Discord window and click the server name. This is the main server menu and it gives you access to important options for that server. After you click the server name, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option called Active Threads. Click on it and Discord will open a list of the threads that are currently active in that server. This view makes it much easier to see what conversations are still going on and which topics people are discussing right now. Now you can browse through the active threads and find one that interests you. If you want to join a conversation, simply click on the active thread you want to open. Once the thread loads, you can read the messages, catch up on the discussion, and start participating right away. It's a fast and easy way to stay involved without having to search manually. And that's it. You now know how to see active threads in a Discord server and join one whenever you want. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tips, app tutorials, and quick step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.